So we have known the term valency. Valency means যে কোনো একটা মৌলের পরমাণুর অন্য একটি মৌলের পরমাণুর সঙ্গে যুক্ত হওয়ার ক্ষমতা, কটা পরমাণুর সঙ্গে যুক্ত হতে পারে। এটাকে আমরা অন্যভাবে একটু ডিটারমাইন করতে পারি। উই ক্যান ডিটারমাইন দি ভ্যালেন্সিজ অফ ডিফারেন্ট মেটালস অ্যান্ড নন মেটালস ফ্রম দেয়ার কম্পাউন্ডস উইথ ক্লোরিন। That is, the number of chlorine atoms which combine with an atom of another element is the valency of that element. Suppose, take for example, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. This is sodium chloride. How many chlorine atoms are have combined with sodium? How many chlorine atoms have combined with sodium? Obviously one chlorine atom. So the valency of sodium will be 1. Okay. Next example, potassium chloride. Again, how many chlorine atoms have combined with potassium? 1 chlorine. So the valency of potassium is 1. Calcium chloride. How many chlorine atoms have combined with calcium? 2 chlorines. 2 chlorine atoms. So the valency of calcium is 2. That means the valency of this element is written here. And in case of magnesium chloride, MgCl2, you tell me what is the case? What happens here? You tell me. Magnesium chloride. You tell me, you try to tell. You see that there are 2 chlorine atoms. They have combined with this magnesium atom. So the valency of magnesium is 2. Then aluminum chloride, AlCl3. How many chlorine atoms have combined with aluminum? Obviously 3. So the valency of aluminum will be 3. And silver chloride, this is written as argentum, this is written as AgCl. 1 chlorine atom has combined with silver. So the valency of silver is 1. You have been given a table in page 90. There some blanks are there for you to fill up, and observe the formulae of the compounds in the said table. The formulae are written there. You must know them. You will find various elements like iron, copper, etc. that possess more than one valency. By changing their valencies, these elements can form different compounds when they combine with different number of atoms of the same element. These elements are said to have variable valencies. In such cases, you will see that the suffix as, O-U-S, as, suffix as, ferrous, or eek is added after the name of the element when its valency is relatively high in the compound. When valency is relatively low, it is as. When it is relatively high, it is called eek. For example, ferrous and ferric, the compounds of iron. Ferrous and ferric. When the valency of iron ferrum, Fe, it has 2 valencies, 2 and 3, 2 valencies. So when it has the valency of 2, and forms a compound with this valency. This compound is called ferrous, and when this valency is used, this compound will be called ferric. Now the procedure of writing a formula. Suppose you have been given two elements or radicals, A and B. You have been given two elements or radicals, A and B, and they combine to form a compound. If the valency of element or radical A is M, if its valency is M, it is written here. It represents the valency of A. It is written as the subscript. এই যে নিচে নামিয়ে লেখা হয়েছে subscript of B. This M is the valency of A, and suppose the valency of B is N, so it will be written here as a subscript of A. So here N means N is the valency of B and M is the valency of A. This is the method of writing a chemical formula. Now we shall follow some examples. Aluminium chloride. Write aluminium and chlorine. We know that the valency of তোমাদেরকে মুখস্থ করতে হবে কোন কোন মৌলের কি ভ্যালেন্সি. We know that the valency of aluminium is 3, so it will be written here as a subscript. We know that the valency of chlorine is 1, so it will be written here as a subscript 1. Actually you need not write 1, so finally you have to write AlCl3. You need not write 1. But if it is aluminium oxide, aluminium and oxygen, oxide means there will be oxygen, and its valency is 2, we know, and its valency is 2 and its valency is 3. Valency of aluminium is 3. It is a subscript here under O. And valency of oxygen is 2. It is also a subscript here under Al. So it is written as Al2O3. Now ammonium sulfate. You know, ammonium is a radical. NH4, and it has the valency of 1, and sulfate is also a radical whose valency is 2. So write 2 this way, because its valency is means it will be on the whole radical. So NH4 whole twice and its valency is 1. এটি যদি ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে আমি এখানে বাইরে 1 লিখতাম, 1 লেখার কোনো প্রয়োজন হয় না, সুতরাং ওই ব্র্যাকেটও দেওয়ার প্রয়োজন নেই, কিচ্ছু নেই, এটা এইভাবে লেখা হবে. ঠিক আছে, আমরা একটু লিখব যে মিথেন লিখব. তোমাদের বইয়ের উদাহরণ দিয়ে লিখছি আমি. মিথেন মানে কার্বন আছে আর হাইড্রোজেন আছে. কার্বনের ভ্যালেন্সি হলো 4, হাইড্রোজেনের ভ্যালেন্সি হলো 1, লেখার দরকার নেই. তাহলে দিস ইজ মিথেন. আমরা হাইড্রোজেন সালফাইড লিখব. হাইড্রোজেন সালফাইড মিন্স হাইড্রোজেন আছে অ্যান্ড সালফার আছে, আর সালফারের ভ্যালেন্সি হলো 2, হাইড্রোজেনের হলো 1, লেখার দরকার নেই, সুতরাং হাইড্রোজেন সালফাইড এইভাবে লিখব. তাহলে আমরা কীভাবে ভ্যালেন্সি দিয়ে আমরা করব, কেমিক্যাল ফর্মুলা লিখব, একটা আইডিয়া হলো.